ice cream.
Oh, so you spread it out and then you curl it up and then
Yeah.
it's frozen hard.
Yeah.
It's so cold on like up on the sides. There's like heat. Or maybe you accidentally touch it, then you put your finger.
It's yummy.
Yeah. Oh, it's freezing, and then it'll be ice cream. So you have to just then you spread it out, and then you curl it. That looks so yummy. Cocoa. Hershey cocoa. My friend's dad works for
Hershey Company?
Wait, what type of ice cream is this? Hershey chocolate? Ice cream?
Whatever you demand from Papa, it's the same one.
It looks so satisfying.
Yeah.
That looks like you're cutting a cake. Like an ice cream cake. Whoa, it's actually hardening. It's hardening.
Oh, look, it's gonna be rolled now.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh,
Wow.
yum.
And then each of the kids get one roll. That's a good idea, actually.
Wait.
Should we put in? Oh, we had this. We made ice cream at school before. Like you put milk and vanilla extract and sugar in like a small plastic bag, and you get a bigger plastic bag, put salt and ice in it, and then you put the bags into each other, but you don't open them, and then you just keep on going up and up, down, and then when you take the bag with the milk out, it's ice cream, but it takes kind of long. But this way looks like it makes way better ice
It's just
cream
the first
though.
time.
It's first time that, but still it's...
No, this one looks better, kind of to me.
Yeah.
It looks more like ice cream.
I want to
than the
eat
one
it right now.
Yes,
Yum.
me too. Wait, so it's more. You start
If
that.
Papa is going to make it every day, then he would be an expert.
Yeah.
Okay, I want.
Oh, look, it's so
Oh
yummy.
my god! And when you
That one is mine.
Wait.
I have the thicker one.
This one is mine.
Okay,
This one's mine then.
so then,
Oh.
you guys have to wait, okay?
Okay.
It's like cool.
That one is yours.
Noodie.
This is news also because Yusra doesn't like this.
She can't eat
Put
all
on.
of it.
You guys wanna?
Some sprinklers?
Nee, you want some?
Yeah.
What you said?
Sprinkles?
Whipped cream?
Oh yes.
जो whipped cream लेके.
Wait,
Just put this Hershey's.
दिखाओ.
My ice cream got finished, and it has a s'more, like a marshmallow, whipped cream, cocoa, Hershey, and the main part, the ice cream roll. Now I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna get my spoon and try it. Mmm, that's so good.
Mmm.
You wanna try it?
Yeah. Mmm. It's so yummy.
You want this on it?
It's a chocolate ice cream. Oh, okay. Just try and just try. And tell me how it is.
It tastes good.
Like it?
If you like it, I can make another one. एक और बना दूँ आपके लिए?